Hello, my gardening friends. I just wanted to show you what it looks like here in my garden. Today is Tuesday and it has been raining, but look at my tree. This maple is dropping its leaves steadily, but it is absolutely beautiful here in the garden. The garden is just filled with color. The oak tree, the leaves are turning color also, slowly. This tree is usually the last tree to shed its leaves, but it does it. As you can see, a lot of the oak leaves are on the ground. So there is the process of raking. With fall comes fall raking. You can see the gathering of the leaves there. Isn't that pretty? But as you can notice, my elephant ears are still looking really good. This is going to be a mild week, so I am going to just allow them to stay and linger as long as they possibly can in the garden. Also, my annuals are looking really good. The impatience, the cleome, they're still bringing forth beautiful color, even all the way in the back. Do you notice that back there? They're still blooming. It is very beautiful. So I just wanted to give you an update because I know I didn't connect with you this weekend. But I'm still here and the garden is still shimmering and beautiful. It's just beautiful. Yes. As the leaves change, you could even see the trees in the distance. My board landscape. The leaves are changing color. And yellow seems to be the color of the leaves in my garden. The trees. But this tree in the center, every fall, I look forward to this transition. It is just so beautiful. Have a good evening, everyone. And thank you for watching Catherine's Garden and Home, where we grow, 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 grow together. Bye. If you have not subscribed, though, to Catherine's Garden and Home, what's keeping you back? Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And know that more videos are coming. Yes, they are, because there's a lot to show here in the garden. Have a great day. Bye.